Do you already have products and you're looking for a way to sell your product? Or are you thinking of creating a product and looking for the platform to create your product, to have a sales page and to have a thank you page for that product? Well, AI Product Engine is your tool to do just that. With AI Product Engine, you can create your product, you can create your sales pages, and you can create thank you pages and a lot more for your product. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby and I'm taking you through AI Product Engine and all that it offers you. Once you log in with your email and your password, you're presented with the dashboard. And once you see the dashboard, you can simply see the products that you have, the sales page that you have, and the thank you pages that you have. You can also see quick links to multiple bonuses, your upgrades, or training videos to explain how to use AI Product Engine and to use it to the full capacity. You can take a look at a short tutorial video where you can watch and see a highlight of how to use AI Product Engine. You can take a look at the products that you have and you can choose to add product or manage product. You can see your sales pages, your squeeze pages, the thank you pages, the product bundles, the ECover Creator, the ebook or PDF creator, children ebook creator, an AI video creator, text-to-speech, children's stories, or your reseller. As you can see, there's a lot that you can do with AI Product Engine, and we'll be going into them shortly. You can choose to add a product. And when you're adding a product, there's a note here to see. This is not the product creation page. This is to add a product. So you're only creating the product here. And you can do this if you already have a product, or you can take from a website, or you can choose a product that you've already created on AI Product Engine. And this product could be an ebook cover, an e-cover ebook, or it could be a children ebook, could be an AI video. So let's create a product from one that we already have. So we'll call this YouTube Success. And it's an ebook we want to create. So we can simply give a short description. And we can choose to update from local, an external URL, or choose a product. And when we click choose a product, we've already created one product previously. And we simply choose that product and we save. Once it's done saving, you can see that your products have been created, but they are kept as drafts. And when you want your sales pages or to have access to them in other platforms, you simply change it from draft and you make it live, make it active. Once you've made it active, you can take a look at your sales page. When you want to create a sales page, you can choose to manage your page or you can add a page. And when you're adding a page, you can choose the product that you already have available. You can include the same product's name. You can enter the product price. Let's call it $50. You can choose if the price has a discount. And if we're putting a discount set price, you can say a 30% discount, $30 discount. And we can include a short description. As you can see, there's a note that I should briefly describe what your product is, if it's an ebook, a video course, a bundle, and benefits of that product. You can include your target audience. Say we want it to be content creators. We want it to be filmmaking professionals. And if we're satisfied with that, we can choose a buy button code or buy button URL. This buy button code or buy button URL can be gotten from different websites or can also be gotten from marketplace platforms like JVZoo. For now, we'll include a buy button URL and just include a simple link as a placeholder. We can choose how many days we want for our money back guarantee. You can include the name that will be put on the sales page. You can include a logo for that product. And you can include a box image for the product. I guess we'll just pick the same one. When we're satisfied with that, you can simply save. And while we wait for our sales pages to be created, we can take a look at other parts of AI Product Engine. We can take a look at our squeeze pages, we can take a look at our thank you pages, which will come as a result of the sales page that we've already created. And because it hasn't been created yet, we'll still have to come back to it. We can take a look at our bundle pages, and also we can create ebook covers. When creating ebook covers, you have a lot of options at your disposal. You can choose from the given templates, or you can simply search through multiple categories. And since we're doing for YouTube, you can simply choose social media. When we pick it, it's search. And we can see multiple examples for us to use. When we're satisfied with one, we can simply pick that specific one. Once you pick it, you can make changes, you can make edits. So we can simply edit this. When you're done, you can save it and you can download it. It's preferable that you save it as a PNG file. And when you're done with that, you can simply go back and you can take a look at the ebook cover as we said, or you can create an ebook or PDF creator. And one thing to note between the basic PDF creator and the ebook PDF creator is that the basic PDF creator is not as comprehensive as the ebook PDF creator. So whichever one you would like to make, you choose that option. So pick the basic PDF creator, and we can see a PDF that we've already created. And we can take specific actions on that PDF. We can choose to create a new PDF. And while we're creating, we can choose create ebook PDF. We can include the title of that PDF. Let's call it YouTube. And one thing to note is that you have an AI chatbot available for you in the process of creating your ebook. So you can copy the title and use it at multiple instances. So you choose your chatbot and you tell it, okay, you want to create an ebook title, enter the keyword, in this case, with the title of your ebook, and you can simply generate. And you can see a more comprehensive title behind the lens, crafting compelling YouTube stories for an ungettable connection. So you can simply change that. You want an introduction now. So we simply choose ebook introduction, include our title, generate. And we can see, you can copy this and include this in our introduction. And all we have to do is make simple changes as we go along. And we can simply save. And it takes a while, but our ebook would be created. You can take a look at the children's ebook creator. You can take a look at AI video creator. You can take a look at text to speech. You can take a look at children's stories, and also you can take a look at reseller. So as you can see, AI Product Engine has a lot of useful tools to create your product, to create your sales page, and to create your thank you page. A link to AI Product Engine is in the description of this video. And if you have any questions or need any clarification for AI Product Engine, you can ask it in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Software Safari, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.